Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to manage your Gmail notifications preferences on your Google Pixel smartphone. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is open up your Gmail app and then click. And the next step, then you need to select the three horizontal line on the top left corners and then click. And then you need to scroll down and then select this, the settings gear button, and then click again. So here now at settings, and you can see this general settings, and then you need to click again. And then here now at general settings, and then you need now to select this manage notifications and then click. So here now at app notifications, you can see this Gmail and then allow notifications. And on right side, you can see this button. And if you want to enable all Gmail notifications, click inside this oval one time to toggle to the right, meaning it's enabled. Otherwise, you just click inside of it one more time. It's be grayed out and it's turned off. So just like if you want to enable, so toggle to the right, and then just like you see on my mobile screen, enable or disable this app notifications in Gmail. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching. And hopefully this video was helpful and guide you on mobile settings, and give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And if you're new to our channel, I invite you to subscribe and click the bell to not miss out on the latest for mobile phone tutorials. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorials.